channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get this look. This is my favorite look to wear outside and it's like one of my signature looks. Recently I've been obsessed with a lot of new products and a lot of new techniques and tips and tricks. So yeah, please keep on watching. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking that little subscribe button down there and click on the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so that you're notified whenever I post a new video up. And do let me know in the comment section below how do you like this look. I'm obsessed with this look. So first I'm going to apply some primer. For that I'm going to use the Sugar Aquaholic Priming Moisturizer. This is absolutely amazing, you guys. I'll be using the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I'm in the shade Natural Beige. It's not my actual shade, it's like a correcting shade for me, which is like, so I like to use this because it's really high coverage. It hides all of my pigmentation before the foundation and I have to apply less foundation in that way. This is a Morphe sponge, the contour highlight thing. It is really nice. I use this side for everything, to be honest. I love this. As you can see, I don't have to leave this concealer on for longer time because it's high coverage. This is the Nars Light Reflecting Foundation. I am in the shade Punjab. And always shake the bottle of any foundation. Honestly, it just gets the oil and the foundation mixed up, so it works better. What I do is I just take like a pump of it. I don't do too much, like this much, because my major concern areas are covered with the concealer. Just warm up the foundation, thin it out a little bit and apply in the places where I haven't applied the concealer. I'm going to take again the same side of the sponge and just pat it on. Okay, so next step is to highlight my face with a concealer. So I like to use the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Custard. I do apply a bit much of it because it has really medium coverage, so it does not matter. So the next thing I'm going to do is do some contouring, for which I'm going to use the Sugar Face Forward Contour Stick in the shade 01. On first, so I like to do like 3 dots. It's really dark, I know, but it works. Here, take the brush and stamp, which is why the product does not lift up my foundation. It looks seamless, it does not look patchy. Blends in like a dream and stuff, so I like to blend it out like in a stamping motion. I'm gonna be using the Nars liquid blush. You have to shake it really well. I do take like 1 pump because it's just enough. I don't just few drops. It feels like water on the skin because it's so fluid and stuff. A little bit on my nose. Does not matter even because I will just blend it out. So I take my sponge, really light amount. You can see it does not even look like I have blush on, which is what I like about this blush, because I can keep layering this blush and it won't look bad, like someone punched me in the face or something like that, but in real life the blush is there. So take the Laura Mercier powder. This is the classic powder. A little bit of powder underneath my eyes, so I don't do it too much. Also the T-zone, because the Alamar Cosmetics complexion trio. To take this shade, a little bit of it, just to stop the excess, and just randomly put it on your crease, because I don't do too much of eyeshadow, just a bit of liner, like a smoked out liner. So take both of the shades of the contour and put it down here. The eyeliner, this is the PAC Kohl pencil in the shade Coffee Brown, I guess. I just like to draw a bit of eyeliner. Okay, today we decided to go thick, but generally it is not. I take a brush. Next thing I'm going to do is apply some liner on my lash line and in my waterline. So take the brush that you used to smudge the eyeliner on top. Rose it on the bottom. The benefit, they are real magnet mascara. This is one of my favorite mascaras right now. Okay, so I just finished applying some mascara. As you can see, I just applied like 2 good coats of it on my eyes and I'm absolutely obsessed. I don't feel the need to apply falsies today. You can do any lipstick of your choice, like any lipstick under the sun will go with this makeup look. But recently I've been loving using this combo. I like to take the MAC Soar lip liner, to use the Kiro Beauty lip lacquer in the shade Dusty Rose. Second last step in my routine is to use a brow gel. This is the Anastasia Brow Freeze. This is my current obsession. I like to take a brush like so and I just scrape a little bit of product off. I don't like to ruin the beautiful cap it has and I don't want to scratch it. That's why I take it on the back of my hand and pick it up with a spoolie brush. So I just pick it up, massage it and brush it onto my brows. I don't like to fill my brows even, so this just the job. Highlighter, I'm using the Becca Champagne Pop, the original Becca one, not the Smashbox collaborative. Take a bit of it because I haven't set my whole face with powder. So yeah guys, that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys like this look and I will see you guys in my next video.